Hey, this is Chap Over. Today I'm going to give you free access to the ultimate Facebook and Instagram ads checklist, okay? I'm going to give you a little backstory about how we got started making these checklists for people. Basically, over the past few months, we had over 100 people contact us asking us different kind of questions about different marketing things. So what we did is we came up with 20 different marketing checklists, okay, that are PDF files. We call them the best digital marketing checklist, and they're PDF files, like I just said, and you get free 100% access to all 20 of them. I'm going to show you as the video goes on how you can get access to all 20 and to this one today too, the ultimate Facebook and Instagram ads checklist guide for 100% free. But what I like to do is I like to come down here and just kind of give you an idea of what you're going to get today. This step-by-step guide is packed with proven strategies used by top marketers worldwide, ensuring that your ads are optimized for success. Okay, so what we did is we wanted to make sure that we put together a checklist that would be the ultimate Facebook and Instagram ads checklist that you guys can start from the top and go all the way to the bottom of the checklist, so you can figure out how to set up your ads right, the right way to do it, so you're not wasting time and you can get in front of the right people, so you're not wasting your money at all. Also, what I'd like to do is show you is, and also too, all you have to do is click below this video and just click on add to cart. Make sure you use a real email address or you won't get the download link to be able to download this, so make sure you do that. What I also do too is just, if you want to learn a little bit more about what the checklist is all about, it's the ultimate Facebook and Instagram ads checklist, your breakthrough strategy for high converting campaigns. So you can just scroll down here. You can see more information here about what it's all about. If you have more questions, you can just do that and see what it's all about. Also, what we're going to do too, as I said in the last few videos, is we're going to give you free rights to this. So what that means is you can actually download this image right here. Once you actually get the PDF file to the ultimate Facebook and Instagram ads checklist guide, you can basically take this image and take this PDF file and put it on your website and create an opt-in form, and you can start building an email list today that you can start helping other people, selling your products or services, or whatever it is that you want to do. But this is a great way for you to, start your online business in a way that you can build your email list by giving a high quality product. Because we took a lot of time in writing these 20 different checklists. And like I said, as I'm giving you the rights for these, you get the rights for the other 20 that I'll show you here in a sec too. And you'll be able to get that link also below in the description to show that you can get access to all 20 of those. So basically what you'll do is just, you can download this one today, the Ultimate Facebook and Instagram Ads Checklist Guide for free. And then below you'll get the other link that takes you here. And this shows you all the other 20. Now, if you're not, working on Facebook right now, what you can do is you can come over here. Like I said, the link will be below this video in the description. You can pick any one of these that you think that you're, maybe what you're working on right now on your website, or maybe something that you want to do that you think will actually do better for you than what you're doing now. Now, what you can do is you can add all these to the cart, but I wouldn't say to do that. I would click right here and click on favorites, and I would do that on your phone too. And I would just go one by one. Basically, once you finish one of them, go to the next one that you think will help you in your business next. But don't rush it. These are going to stay here and they're going to be free. We're not going to change the price. Like I said, it's going to stay free, so you're not in a rush or hurry. We're here to help you if you have any kind of questions. And even below this video, if you have any kind of questions at all, post them down there and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And it will be me too. I'll be actually the one putting the comments in there. It won't be someone else or someone that works for us. It will be me. So make sure you leave comments below. But really, make sure that you decide which ones that you think could be best for you and go in the order. And I would challenge you to go through all 20 of them, because it will help you take your business to the next level, even if it takes you a year. But, the faster you can get it done, the faster you can get things going. But like I said, this isn't, we're not talking about, rushing, getting things done and then, not learning what you need to learn. Take your time. So like I said, below this video in the description, you can get the link that takes you here. And like I said, today you can get the one also too, just by adding the cart and getting the ultimate Facebook and Instagram ads checklist today Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I always ask people to, if they could do this. You don't have to at all, but please like and share this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to our channel. Please, send this to people on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, and LinkedIn, and Reddit, and share it to them. Obviously, X is Twitter, and just share it with people. Because like I said, you have access to a lot more people than we do, because you know other people that we don't know. So it would really help us to get our checklist that we have, the 20. And two, if you have any friends and family that want to start an online business, make sure you show them this video so they can get these links, so it can help them start a business and know where to start and not get overwhelmed by everything all over the internet. That's easy, just shiny object syndrome, just get this, get that, and before you know it, you're actually way behind, and you're farther behind than when you first started. Okay, so again, if you have any kind of questions at all, post them below in the YouTube description. If you're on our website, you can just scroll down here, go right here, we'll click contact us, we'll go to our support desk, we'll get back to you as soon as possible, and ask us anything that you need help with, and we're here to help. So thanks again. Make sure you add this to your cart, download it, take action today. And this is Chap or Noah. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.